We know that we have to continue to grow. We know that we have to continue to expand. What we did yesterday is not good enough for tomorrow. There's a world of opportunity for minority, women-owned businesses to participate in projects that are financed by the Wisconsin Department of Transportation. It's important for us to be able to provide opportunity to all people in our state, and I think that the DBE program does a wonderful job of doing that. Leaving the room, I hope that they have been left with the idea that it is okay to give somebody a chance, let someone be able to prove themselves, and also making sure that we have people on level playing field, because there's virtually no limits when people are able to actually compete in a real way. And opportunity isn't going to come get you. You got to go get the opportunity. So for small businesses that are interested, I encourage them to take a moment to take a look at the website and see what could potentially be available to them. I think the fact that there are so many success stories gives us a unique opportunity to replicate those. And we should obviously try to build off of our gains. We should try to do much more than we did before. Like I said in the speech too, what we did yesterday isn't good enough for tomorrow.